Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the heartwarming tales of Gopi Diaries by Sudha Murthy. If you are a fan of touching stories that highlight the bond between humans and pets, this video is just for you. Let's explore the charming world of Gopi and discover why these stories have touched the hearts of readers worldwide. Sudha Murthy, an acclaimed Indian author, is known for her extensive literary contributions. Her work often reflects her deep understanding of human nature, and in Gopi Diaries, she turns her focus to the animal kingdom, sharing her love and experience through the eyes of her pet dog Gopi. The narration behind Gopi Diaries comes from Sudha's own personal life, particularly her affection for animals. Gopi, the protagonist, is based on her own pet, bringing an authentic and personal touch to the stories. What sets Gopi Diaries apart is its unique narrative. Told from Gopi's point of view, the series provides a refreshing and often humorous look at human behavior and societal norms. This perspective allows readers to see the world through a dog's eyes, highlighting the innocence, curiosity, and unconditional love that pets bring into your life. The series follows Gopi's adventures and everyday life from his adoption into the Murthy household to his interactions with other pets and humans. Each story is a blend of fun, mischief, and heartwarming moments, capturing Gopi's growth and experiences. Themes in Gopi Diaries include love, loyalty, family, and the human-animal bond. Through Gopi's adventures, Sudha Murthy subtly imparts important life lessons about empathy, kindness, and the joy of simple pleasures. Gopi, the central character, is portrayed as a lovable, serious, and intelligent dog. His innocence and enthusiasm for life make him a beloved character among readers. His interactions with his family and surroundings provide a deeper understanding of his personality and the lessons he learns. The illustrations in Gopi Diaries add a visual charm to the stories, bringing Gopi and his adventures to life. The detailed and expressive artwork complements the narrative, making the series more engaging for young readers. Gopi Diaries has been warmly received by readers and critics alike. Praised for its heartwarming stories and engaging narrative style, the series has garnered positive reviews for its ability to entertain while imparting valuable life lessons. The impact of Gopi Diaries on readers is significant. Many have shared how the stories have inspired them to adopt pets, treat animals with more kindness, and value the simple joys of life. The emotional connection with Gopi's character has left a lasting impression on both children and adults. In interviews, Sudha Murthy shares her experiences and inspiration behind writing Gopi Diaries. She talks about her love for animals and the joy of having Gopi as a pet, providing a deeper understanding of the series and her personal connection to the stories. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Gopi Diaries by Sudha Murthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more literary explorations. Share your thoughts and experiences with Gopi Diaries in the comments below. Do check the links in the description box below the video. Until next time, happy reading.